Hey, happy birthday. Hey, you guys, what's up? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's up, you guys? So I just landed the office and my sister actually helped me to stretch this hair. And you guys, when you have hair and you are taking care of it, it always looks very beautiful. Anyways, so I'm just coming in from buying of paints. Yeah, you guys, we want to change the look of the external wall of the hotel, right? Because it's more than 1 year and the paint that we previously painted is looking faded, right? So we want to actually change it and make it look very, make it pop, let it look fine, let it come out looking all good and all. Yeah, and for now I just want to eat. When I finish eating, I want to go to NEPA office, and after that I want to go to a printing place where I'd have to go print something so that we can like start, we can not like start, we can promote the hall. Because you guys, these days we just want to be having like back-to-back hall rentals. Although I don't know, this year is not like last year where every Saturday people will come to use the hall. Weddings everywhere, weddings every Saturday. But this particular year, it's not like that. Of course, we understand how things are, but again, we just want to make more effort to getting people to come to use the hall. So I want to go to a printing place and print a banner and also a sticker, because we need to increase the notification, like placing the banner here and there, and also making more signboard. All right, so today is Salah and my children are actually home, so I'm gonna be leaving the office early. After I come back from NEPA office, check 1 or 2, I'm going to be leaving the office early so that I can go play with my children, vlog with them, have a good time with them. Okay, basically that's it. And how am I looking? Just these days, you guys, have you noticed I love to wear gown, like free gown? 1, it gives me that comfort. 2, it makes me look the me that I am, the boss lady that I am. And 3, because of my family, I don't want to stress myself. I don't want to keep, I cannot come and go and kill myself. I cannot come and go and kill myself. All right, so yeah, I'm in here. Let me just do a little bit of editing. My laptop is on the bed and my ring light is here. I want to do like a sit down video and my chair is there. So I actually recently added a wall fan in my office, like this wall fan in my office, because sometimes when they take the lights and we're on inverter, yes, I'm coming, let me come and see her. So talking about hall, someone wants to come book the hall, so let me go and see her. Hey you guys, what's up? How are you? So yay! The Lord is good. Okay you guys, so I have unboxing to do. So let me unbox this hair. So I saw this hair from this vendor and I'm like, sick, this time need some hair. Ouch, I need hair. Okay, like I cannot afford to be wearing just one particular hair. Guess, because when a woman is always changing look, that's when you look good. So I bought this hair from this vendor that I saw on Instagram. So instead of me just testing my hair quietly and silently, you know, let me test it with you guys. Let me unbox it and show you guys. So here, oh, hold on, let me do a little bit of let me do a little bit of other social media and video. I used to forget. Just respect yourself. Oopsie. Okay. Hey. Oh, many people don't do me something because I have, this is actually a Bond Straight 24 inches long, and I have a black, like a natural color Bond Straight. I saw this Bond Straight on Instagram and it was looking, the color was looking like color 27, bright, vibrant. So I needed something bright. I don't want something, oh, this is not the color I saw now. Let me test it. This is not the color I saw, but let's see. So here, this particular color is actually, it looks like a wine color, but this is husband, don't catch me. This is not the color I saw.
You are crazy for this. I want to put a hair shop.
No.
It's good. Make a setup.
Yes, I want to
You
look.
deserve it.
Thank you.
You deserve everything good.
I told him. So this color looks like this color, yeah. This is not the color I wanted to. This is not the color I showed him. This is not the color I showed him. But let's see, because this is actually a Bond Straight in the length 24. I have a Bond Straight which is natural, and I told him 6 by 2. Okay, this is 6 by 2. Yes, but this is the color. It's still not for this mine. Okay, can't you stay one place? Hey, but the color is fine, Sha. The color is fine, but honestly, this is not the exact color I wanted. And I wonder, is this 24? Because 20 used to be here. 20 would this guy, if he pass, this guy, if he, that's why I don't like buying hair from a guy, but I like the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is nice, and it's actually giving. It's actually giving. Well, truthfully, this is not the exact color I wanted, but looking at this color, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's nice. I like it. I like it. But honestly, is this 24? Is this length 24? This does not look like length 24. This looks like 22, because 20 would have been, let me see, 20 should be in my bra length. Where is it? Okay, it's beautiful. I like it. It's beautiful. I like it. This door not go stay one place. Anyways, I like it, sure, but this is not the color I wanted. I wanted a 27. You know, that's gold. This color on my head is the color I wanted, gold. But this is beautiful. It's a bun straight and it's nice. But the other bun straight that I bought, that girl hair, but I just wanted to try another person and see. I don't know if I'm regretting, like maybe I would have still bought from her, you know. But yeah, it's fine. I like it. It's beautiful. And the color suits me, right? I know that's what you guys are gonna say. The color suits me perfectly. The color suits me perfectly. Okay. Suits me perfectly. Okay, you guys, so that's my hair. Just wanted to show you guys my beautiful hair, and this one is gonna be like an everyday hair for me because it's not that long like the other of my bone straights. The other of my bone straights, I kind of feel like it's gonna be like a hair where I would have to rent for an important occasion because it's long. Do you understand? It's too long. Well, if you want to buy hair from all this, buy from the woman. Women are more sincere. I don't know if this hair is called length 24 because sometimes they will use 22 and pass it for 24, or they'll use 20 because he didn't trim them out, so I wouldn't know if this is 24 because 24 would have been, anyway, I don't know. But I like it. Madness of joy. Okay, so I have this is my short bone straights, which the color is nude, but yeah, it's not like this one. It's not like this one. This particular one, the color is looking, I don't even know what color is this, but anyways, I'm excited about the color. I've always wanted this color, but this is actually not the particular color I told him. I showed him. Maybe it looked different in my eyes. Maybe this camera actually made it look different. But